Today I want to walk you guys through my truck camping setup with my F-150 Raptor. This works for any F-150 or any truck with a 5.5-foot bed. I'm going to walk you through exactly what my setup is. But first, I want to show you a couple things. One is finding level ground is difficult, so I would recommend getting in the bed as soon as you can and seeing if your truck is level first, because at like 10 o'clock at night, I had to put some wood under the truck and try to level it, which was a little bit difficult. My truck, as I mentioned, is a Raptor, which meant the drive on the off-road trail up here was a little bit more fun than a regular truck, I would say. But a couple of things. Firstly, having the Super Crew cab meant that we could fit all of our stuff back here, especially overnight. We have our coolers in here that were kept safe. We weren't worried about them. I have the seats up right here, and it was just a great ride up. We also had the nice view with the sunroof. You can see a little bit of our campsite right here. Now, let me walk you through this tent that we got. This is a Dika Sun tent. It's on Amazon. I think it was less than $150. And I have a mattress in here as well. I'm going to show you. So on the back, you can see we have basically this light coverage, and then we have a screen. So there's two zippers. And inside here, you can see there's actually a decent amount of space. So this is a mattress with cutouts right there for the wheel wells. I moved it over so you can see exactly how it fits there. So it's made specifically for the 5.5-foot F-150 bed. And this mattress is from a company called Umber Auto. I'll show you their logo right here, and I'll put a link in the description. So the mattress was decently comfortable, I would say. I had myself and my fiance sleeping in here. We were slightly warm, which was nice at the beginning of the night. And then we have these windows right here. Inside the tent, the mattress is actually fairly comfortable, and I really recommend bringing your own pillows from home. Make sure you bring your pillow, otherwise it's going to suck. It deflated a little bit overnight, which was expected, but with two people, we actually evened it out, and it was totally fine. And in terms of warmth, I was surprised. So I'm in a t-shirt. As you can see, it's 43 degrees right now, and I have a comforter and a blanket under that. It was totally fine with t-shirt, sweatpants, and long, slightly thick socks. The really nice part about this tent is it has so many windows. So let me show you my view right now. It's like 6:30 in the morning, I think. We unzip these windows. They have a nice mesh screen on all the windows. So we have the two side windows open. We have two top windows. This one's open here. We could open that one as well. And then we have the door with the screen and the actual material out there. This tent is pretty well thought through. So you have two hooks up there if you want to hang lanterns at night. And then under these windows, you have mesh pockets. So I have my Kindle in there, and then you have another pocket under that one as well. You don't feel the wheel wells, which is nice. I was worried about like bumping into it. This is the top of my bed right here, and then this is the wheel well, but I didn't roll into it or anything, and it was great. This is the back of the truck right here. More than enough space. I have my legs stretched out. I'm 5'8", so yeah, I would recommend this setup. It is really, really nice. I definitely want to keep doing this.